Hey guys, welcome back to our hilarious, wonderful comedy compilation video. This compilation is very hilarious. Go grab your popcorn. I will not waste your time. Alright guys, let's go. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let's go.
Down to the building. How is this happening everything? Like, what's going on?
Najuma,
Yawa.
what is going on in my sitting room?
I bring carpenter, make a repair. Chair don't spoil. I beg, make una dey for inside room. No base.
Do you mind if you go to my room?
Okay.
Okay now.
Today is today, like, even the girl is dancing to the music. She didn't know what is about to befall her. She actually caught them dancing. Look at. Voila.
You don't know why it's going on.
So make yourself comfortable.
Yeah. Who put that here there?
Jesus.
Like
blood of Jesus.
There. Now, both you guys fought for this man at last after all the dancing.
Okay, I never fix this one.
Pino. If you don't mind, just make use of the bed.
See, Papa, I love
chugging home.
Hey! I need somebody that will play this game with me, honestly. I need it. Ayam breaker, ayam breaker, nakobu, ayam breaker, nadot, ayam breaker, nadot. Oh God, these people will not kill me with laughter. Jeez, what's going on? What? Today they are actually going to each other to stupor. Oh God, the dance is a mature grown-up man dancing. If you ask him now, why are you dancing? Why are you dancing so hard like this? He will tell you just because he wants to. Oh my. This is crazy. If you don't get it, forget about it. I love this comedy, honestly.
Don't you?
Jesus.
My babe.
Blood of Jesus.
Just come now, what's in the soul? Don't be like that now. No vex now. I don't know if you and that is the wrong thing.
Vex. Why go vex like that? No, it's not.
You don't think what we do the wrong thing is small.
Now let's just. I shouldn't care somebody calls fish between us. We childhood friends now.
I get you. I forget to tell you that I get sweet. Yeah? I swear. I go run out. Enjoy yourself. I got you, my
Gentuu.
Everybody fucking knows how I roll.
I hope it's not what I am thinking right now.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
My mood right now, smiley face, you feel like you are laughing at me. My mood does not.
Who's your younger sister?
Jesus.
Okay.
Go now.
This work where you did your man no say.
My son, good evening, sir. Thank you for your friend.
Even the mother.
He's not around though, he just stepped out.
Oh my God, bro.
Actually, sir, is you on to see? You came to see me? Yes. No problem, sir. We're coming. Okay, sir. You?
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the
Gentuu is bad. Even you added the father to it. What kind of a boy is this? You like the full family. Without even minding the brother, the father. Even the house brother. I think Gentuu also wipe the brother.
This thing is not well fixed now. I've told you, always cross-check.
See, don't worry, I'll do it later. I'll fix it. Longest time, bro. How you doing now? Alright. Come, give me something. I want to tell you something. Come.
Papa, no go there.
Hey, babe. Hey, you can go inside. We're coming. Bro, I need a favor from you. Hope it's not money. No, it's not money. See, I want to sell my gift card. I need the best plug.
Gift card? That's what my babe does now. I haven't heard of Angel gift card.
Wait, your baby's Angel gift card?
Hell no, that's what she does now. You can download your app on Play Store, App Store. They are fast and reliable. So swift.
You're that guy.
Hell no.
I can do it, man.
Check your phone now. Check the App Store, you see.
So this is it.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Bro, they are straight.
Bro, they have
So
the
what
best
is
street.
going to happen right now?
Best
Yeah.
street, bro. Wait, is that why you called me?
See, you don't understand. I have to do this because if my girlfriend hear this, she'll beat me. I promised her a backing back.
Oh,
Continue.
bad guy. What's that?
Mistake, oh, bro. My girlfriend and your girlfriend is inside. Hey, what simply means if they are friends, whenever I go out with my babe and you come with another girl, my babe will tell your girl. Anytime you go out and I come with another girl, your girl will tell my girlfriend.
If somebody if that oh my god.
Bro, I think you guys should start going. We'll talk later.
Oh, okay. Babe, I think we start going.
Oh, okay.
Fire.
You forgot to give me your number.
Oh, I'm so sorry, my name.
Oh my god, bro. Oh hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. Get your goddamn ass on.
It must pass. There is nothing you can do.
Madam.
Now, BBS
never do this kind of style before, please.
Calm down. Just cooperate is what I like, you know.
Involve yourself in BBS.
What the fuck?
And you know this is very risky too.
Madam, tell me, please. I beg you.
Would you go fire?
Why not just
Save yourself.
what type of play? That just cut it for him now.
Jesus. Omo, I saw I die you.
Even the smoke is coming out from his mouth. In spirit world, after everything, wow, Omo, that's why I die. You want to be BDSM, you want to
Your Excellency, I don't talk to Philip, but Philip say make I call you, say now you go give me the 1,000 naira. Now I make I call. Hello?
1,000 now you dey beg. You don't have shit.
Being that I don't finish.
Don't have shit.
Hello, T Baba. Baba T, are you there?
People that doesn't
They
want
not
to
sport
go in Nigeria. You're begging
Hello, sir.
1,000.
Oh, you don't come back. Neighbor, come collect your phone, avec.
People just told you.
Madala Pinky, you know say as milk don't cost like this, now you dey supply me milk.
I know, my baby.
So I beg, no spoil this factory for me.
Shopofo,
But no.
just let me go and train. I have match tomorrow.
No, wala. But remember, don't chase the ball.
What is chess the ball now?
And something like this. Don't control the ball with your breast. You know they are very important to me.
Okay, baby, let me go and train.
Let's watch this video.
If I dey play football, I go bench Messi.
Nothing.
Do you know you can win an iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple Watch, AirPod, and $200?
How can you carry such
matches on Paris Plus? Click the link
What
in
is
the
you
bio
carrying
right
at
now
her
and
back?
use the promo code for
Carrying
you. Stand a
loads
chance
at
to
the
win
back and you want to play
150,000 naira. Deposit and withdrawal
Look at
can be
it.
done on Paystack,
I think the boy is playing out.
and floats her
He's
way.
not playing.
To go the bait. Jesus! Jesus. Maybe I beg, don't test them. Don't test it, baby. Don't test it. Control it with your leg. Your leg.
Don't test it. No.
Baby, don't finally turn a sister to Shuala.
Assistant to Shuala. Agbabola.
Shopofo is crazy, man. Assistant to Shuala. They told you not to test it.
I don't open them.
Jesus, that is the waist bead. Brother Moscow,
Sir,
cut this waist bead.
make a cut her waist bead. Man, so I don't go fit to. If my girlfriend wake up, say sister, I don't know what she go vex for me.
This girl not supposed to be your girlfriend. She tie you.
Jesus.
Cut her, make your eye for clear.
Man of God, now what you want to tell me be this? You go no stress yourself, you come decide now. You go just call me for phone. As you say you want to see my girlfrind Kuro. I didn't know what kind of serious matter. I don't go fit cut down. You say if I cut down my eye, go play. What time is clear? Person lock me, put me for house, they feed me. Then now she they pay for house rent. Yesterday when I come church, now she give me off. You got to make I go cut. You just like say you go meet you Yahoo boy, then I say make it block he paying client. In fact, babe.
Yes.
I better give me one waist bead, yeah.
Jesus.
What for?
Brother Moscow, what are you doing?
God, I beg forgive me for waiting I want to. Who got in the man of God? Jesus. Why they do like that now? Even when I come your church, I mean no open church or something. You go like that. You won't come out food from my mouth.
I'm sorry, sir.
What is happening? What is going on?
Baby, no vex. Now those mom misunderstanding. I beg you will give me waist big VS small. Jesus. Just for 2 years.
Hello.
Why does he need the bead? I don't really understand this. Why do you need the bead, Moscow? You don't even care about what the person is.
But let me drop you off now.
Sure.
Oh, come.
Well, let's go with lamba.
Come inside. Come in.
And don't let me nod your face. Don't let me nod your face. You hear what I tell you? Don't let me nod your face.
Come
Don't let me nod
inside.
your face. You hear me too? Don't let me nod your face. Don't let me nod your face.
I'm a ball.
Come inside.
Don't worry.
Man's on the up block, but I can't see no ups. And I'm sick of pussy, I was outside.
You really know about it. 300% bonus.
Oh my God,
Let me
Ram.
take your first deposit with my promo code. Now let me tell you.
How can you
about the
open
new
door for your
prices
fellow
and
man?
bonuses on
Like,
One X
open
every
the
day.
door and
Every day you get chances to
head
win
in
prize
on,
or free spin.
like,
Daily
on the
games
waist.
tournament for playing One X
And
game.
expect
Every day you
everyone
get the
to
chances
stand
to get
still and
200%
start
bonus
looking
on
at
your first
you.
deposit. Which is very interesting. And also
You know
on
that-
One X game, you can also get
Thank God
200%
the
winning
Lamba
promo
actually
on Fridays and
recognized
Wednesdays,
who the
and you
man
get
was,
300 euro bonus on your deposit with Lucky Friday
If
and
not,
X2
another story
Wednesday
now
promo.
today, yeah.
Just use my promo code LAMBABET for you to get all this.
Oh, that's possible.
My son, Papa, you are sure the fruit you saw is compound?
Nah, yeah.
We'll pluck it.
Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Lord!
Yes, Papa.
You're mad to make you never wash this plate.
Oh, no vex.
Come and take this plate, make her wash them fast! Hey, what are all these people waiting here?
Papa, no. They talk say they won't marry me.
No. My in-law, good afternoon.
No. You don't let them know say now only one leg you get. And now because of your stubbornness, now you make me cut up. Jesus.
Papa, I won't make them marry me first before I tell them say now only one leg I get.
Nice one, my daughter.
Hell!
My in-law, why you dey run? Hell! If you don't like this one, we get one leg, you go like this one.
Hey, mommy, Auntie Ramota. Funny, bro.
My in-law, and this will not to cost too.
How much?
4.8 billion.
I like him more.
Now, wow.
Funny bros always encountering these kind of people. Auntie Ramota. Help him, oh God.
That's my little shady lover.
Broda resemble P-Square.
Who resemble P Square? If I slap you, come on, they go house.
Don't you know where I begin resemble P-Square?
This not temptation. Come on, come. I beg, which Nigerian celebrity way to say me I resemble? Look at well,
P-Square.
We got this confusion.
Boy, this one where everybody just they talk say I resemble P-Square. Now to use this thing go make better money. Hi. But P-Square now 2 people, now no be 1 person.
Peter and Paul, they be 1, no be 2.
Okay, I know what I go do now. I go find person where resemble me. Because person where resemble me self go resemble P-Square now.
Me, I like fine girls. The ones where they wear short skirts. Me, I like fine girls. Fine girls like I style. Fine girl, you know me like them pop.
This is Twitter.
Fine girl, you know me like them pop. Baby, give me, oh, give me. You know it's been a minute. Look what you do, like you're shaking. Undress yourself, now I'm follow you. Anywhere you go, I go follow you. Go then go the dengue, then go the pose. Then go the walk, then go the pose. Come on to the bed, to my pen, I see you. Friday, Ikalawa. Fine girls like you. Saturday, Ikalawa. I don't like sports up.
I see some.
Papa, this getting on the street, but you know, say we don't go feed this P-Square without manager. Our own Judah be. As you see me and my brother, hey, no, we say we do pass over. You should say this person no go scam us. Now you don't know the guy from anywhere. You don't the judge. Come make we go greet our new manager, I beg. Congratulations. Welcome to Square Record.
But for every 100 ba, when I go to give me 60 ba.
I think only rude boy can do that. Only rude boy will do that kind of thing. Now blaq is a rude boy. Easy Peter is a rude boy.
What is that? Why say fresh money?
You buy for you.
Hello sir, no press sir, don't they come like this? Okay. Wait, why send you since 5 hours? What thing dey happen now?
Now kill too much. I want to Marwa like this. Marwa. Okay.
I dey wait for you now, beg. I wan comot.
Marwa, wake up now. Guys, no dey work. I dey go late too. Where you dey go? I saw dey go late too.
Where no dey?
Keke. Where no dey for keke?
Where no dey na since morning I dey also full. I no see fuel buy. I no fit carry passenger. Now why I dey sleep?
Jesus. Me I get for I no get keke. Case this life.
They be like that now. Some people fit get cab and no get head.
Who please? So who could be cap? Who could be head?
You get only cap now.
Are you whining yourself?
Okay, I get it.
Now see my head.
Okay.
Oh God. The keke na head now.
See, just turn small fuel for me for here. I'll carry that passenger. You no go pay.
Alpha, where you dey go? Boss, abeg if you help me, I dey go late too. I enter man help you, man. Thank you, boss.
No be fuel be that.
Yes, boss.
Omo, you go spend time my motor. I no fit do am.
Boss, where I put am for boot? Yeah, put am inside. Shebi be I tell you that what
boss? You dey craze? I get fuel. Yeah. Shey I tell you say na only cap you get, no get head. Where your cap?
Okay. Aje, no cap.
Time to chase my dreams.
What should dreams? In this village? No, now we don't chase dreams. Dreams chase us away.
Where did I stop?
This boy, you are trespassing. Which one is you want to pursue dreams? No, now I cannot allow you to pursue dreams. No. Why not Smoky Bo?
Smoky
Bo. Canada, Smoky Bo, forget everything. Smoky Bo, and relax and enjoy
so
yourself.
many people can relate.
Smoky Bo.
Many people can relate. Honestly.
You are probably stubborn, Abi. You are probably stubborn, this boy.
Have you ever encountered distraction?
It's time to sleep.
Like focus in life affair. Different thoughts will be coming in. And if you have the ability to to control your thoughts, Omo.
No.
You are a very strong person.
Why not call your crush Ogechi? Ogechi, the one with big nyash. Ogechi has big nyash and big laps.
Why are they playing Ogechi?
Big boobs. She has different styles in bed. She can give it to you. Call Ogechi, 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 call Ogechi,
Also, don't call. Good boy.
Focused. Call Ogechi, this boy.
I know they call.
This boy is proving stubborn. Come to think of it, it's been long you visited that website. There's a new upload, Ebony Black and Young MILF. Let's check it out. You can enjoy it. You can enjoy pleasure. Watch it. Watch it. No, I won't. Why is this boy proving stubborn?
What distraction is this?
Scroll TikTok, scroll. You find funny videos. You will relax and enjoy yourself. What is the point of chasing dreams so you can enjoy yourself? Watch TikTok. Watch TikTok. Scroll on TikTok. Watch TikTok. Man, go to Instagram. Enter Facebook. YouTube unko. Netflix unko. Netflix. 50 Shades of Grey. It is very, very erotic. You will enjoy it. No, I'm not watching. I'm busy. Oh, yeah. Then they pursue dream for this house. You want to spoil my plan? Pursue which dream?
What kind of a distraction is this? This is how most people get distracted when they're about to.
Yeah, please call him. Call
focus
him.
On
call him on phone now. Tell him you love him. ASAP. Who they call me by this time now? I'm busy. Bitch, I'm busy. This boy is proving stubborn. You are proving stubborn. You are a failure. Never succeed. You die. Nobody loves you. You are nobody. You don't have what depressed. This boy has learned how to control the frequency of his thoughts. Why is our juju electromagnetic waves not working on him anymore? Iwundu. No longer affects this boy. I don't know what is going on. I have sent every possible means of thought to distract him from his dreams, and still yet, it's not working. He has become a master of his thoughts. Iwundu, we are doomed. Do you know what it means for someone to learn how to control his thoughts? That means he has also learned how to control his emotions and actions, because thoughts controls emotions and actions. He has learned the power of meditation. Meditation? Yes, the human mind works like a social media algorithm. When you watch a particular content online, you keep getting the same kind of content recommended to you. That is how the human mind works. So meditation helps to observe and filter the thoughts going through the mind. What else? He has also learned to surround himself with only positive thinking people. He has surrounded himself with positive people. Yes, this kind of people challenge you in a good way to expand your thinking, improve yourself, and step out of your comfort zone. He's no longer mingling with those set of people that will distract him. Sometimes for your well-being, you have to distance yourself from individuals who will drain your energy or bring negativity into your life. It's not about judging others, but recognizing what serves your highest good. Choose people who will inspire, encourage, and motivate you to make your soul feel alive. He has also forgiven himself and all those who wronged him. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting or condoning wrong actions, but rather moving on without grudges and resentment. The greatest gift of forgiveness is inner peace. What else? This one is very important. He is very mindful of the kind of content he consumes on social media. Where did he learn all that? He is now a master and it's impossible to affect him. I'll send Rat to chop all his wire. Nonsense!
And there's nothing you can do anymore. Sometimes we winch, they disturb us. Sometimes it's just our own thoughts. When we want to, focus, things will start distracting you.
Oh, I don't go forget water. Hey, bros, I beg. If you help me hold this thing, hold on, man, water, I beg.
So soon. So quick, I mean. You started. You didn't even pray. You didn't even ask where the food was coming from.
You continue for here.
Okay, I've been there, they wait for you.
I say, me for you, I'm street. Here, I'm street. Who can't give you rice with the chop?
Okay, so they wait for you, person just come there, give me rice.
Red gate, give you rice, you chop. See, Nduka, from the beginning of this road to the end, now mortuary, no woman being the stay for here. So we say give you rice.
See, they come, hide. Good guy. See now. Nobody they sit there, nobody will fight there. See, they too. They come out there, they too. You see that again? Ndoka. See, that place is mortuary.
What has happened?
Who can say give you rice?
Oh no, you didn't stay one place. What do you dey waka? You dey forget say your better na tomorrow.
I give person my food. I know they see the food again.
No worry, food go plenty for your burial. More they go inside.
Hey, gates don't lock.
What do they use gates do? More they go away.
Jesus! This shaggy make me fear.
I was like, you want your phone?
I want my phone now.
Call my mama.
Ndoka. You dey forget me, my mama no good.
I was like, I find my mama number. Call my mama.
Now you want them to call your mother.
Call my mama now. Call my mama. Call my mommy there.
You have seen what your mouth cannot talk. Now you are telling them to call your mother. When they gave you the food or instead of you to observe to know where the food was coming from or where the food came from, you were just like chopping the egg. You will call your mama, don't worry. When you are there,
wow. Hi. I'm Kade, and you?
Sorry, I don't talk to men that can't step down from their car to talk to me.
The girl really know herself. And some guys will just get angry and drive off. But this one came down, to prove that he's a gentleman.
Hello.
Hi.
Once again, my name is Kade Olokunla.
Well, I'm Damilola Nimashao.
So let me just cut to the chase here. Are you good in bed?
Excuse me?
I mean, are you sexually good in bed?
Who raised you?
My mama.
My mother, obviously.
Oh my god. What sort of man walks up to a lady and the first thing you're asking me is, are you good in bed?
The sort of man that already has a girlfriend.
Good. So you have a girlfriend and you are here talking to me?
Yeah, she's not good in bed.
She's not good in bed. So, wait. If I tell you now that I'm good in bed, you will break up with your girl and make me your girlfriend, right?
Daddy Chris, God forbid. My girlfriend is already all I need in a woman. She's godly, she cooks, she cleans, she respects me. Why would I want to lose that?
What the fuck?
She's just not good in bed.
So, what will I be?
My side chick, of course. Are you slow?
Side chick?
Yes.
A homie. Hey, Miss Click. I've been hearing about Yoruba demons, but like seeing you displaying it is crazy, unthinkable, absurd. Nonsense.
Wait. Calm down. You're a pretty girl. You shouldn't be getting angry easily. Okay, so one more question.
What's the question, please?
How old are you?
I'm 24.
24. Gen Z. Definitely good in bed.
Wait, are you stereotyping me right now?
Oh, calm down. Studies shows that at least 80% of all Gen Zs are sexually active in bed. Okay, you know what? I don't have time for this. Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
Great. And looking at you, I can tell you're an independent woman.
Yes, I am independent.
Of course. What would you say if I give you ₦1 million right now?
₦1 million to do what?
Nothing. Just for you.
Well, I won't mind.
You don't mind. Good. Now imagine me giving you money weekly monthly just because you are good in bed. You don't have to think about calling me or checking up on me. My girlfriend does that job perfectly already. All you need to worry about is how to just be good in bed for me. And let me worry about elevating your account. So, Damilola and Masha, what do you say?
Okay.
So that's a yes? You'll be my side chick.
Yeah, I'll be your side chick.
Alright, let's go. You can give me your account number in the car.
Alright, baby.
Women are scorpions. Just have money. They don't have respect. That is true. Some everybody one day.
Jay. Wow.
There is God. Mommy,
Anya what the kware? Chai. Yeah. I see this life here. See person where they mad and person where they love. No big difference.
The other one is not mad. The other one is mad. She's just catching her trip.
Customer, check her now.
Let's see
Customer, you go enjoy me,
baby. No.
Who please? Customer.
Succulent. I love your skin.
I have tough skin, last standard.
Thunder fire you. Come right in.
But if you pay so.
I will.
I did knock with you no good.
I'll make you smile.
Tomorrow shower with they do now. You don't go out to join now.
And I get fresh on.
I better take out my guy well.
Because they're not faking jealousy now among them.
But that's my baby with another boy.
Out of me and you, what go take now? Dead body go surplus.
Mickey. Who be this boy?
Wait.
Who be this guy?
Who is this?
That's movie Biggie Sabi.
It's not what you think. Wait, no.
Who that boy?
Because my baby is my life.
What is this?
Customer beg no verse. Okay. And my baby this. You go help me go chop out from my house before we go hotel.
I shall with the jealousy. Let's see Kekere on this one. What is he about to do now? What is he about to do?
You are stand waiting the shop for you. No let me talk too much here. Don't mind yourself. We join your money with the answer. I just want to chill, but problem will find the way she needs me.
Yeah! Wow!
My future, my hope, my aspirations, my...
Oh, my me problem
now. Oh, for me? Aji? Thank you so much. God bless you.
Oh, love in the air.
Jesus!
Jesus! Jesus!
I want to see it. You don't catch it. I know say normally you don't get money to here. Now I come wine. Aji say.
So the Polori group woman you.
Too broke me down. They understood themselves.
Hello, Papa. Hello, Daddy.
This one I'll do Papa with the lie.
Hello.
For my evening.
Hello.
For my evening.
No more. Now your neighbor.
What happened?
Nah, I cook. I can't say make I can't give you. Now make you chop kondo.
Who's your way start to give me food? You waited to allow me drink water, keep up for this compound. Now I won't come give me food.
Nah, they shout. All those things so they get na small neighbor stiff. And not just normal quarter. This one what I bring now na settlement food. You really can't do it.
No be say they really quarrel like that. No this small chat with the chat. They come let's chat with the chat.
Men are food.
Love your neighbor as yourself. Beans and fish day. I take no time the last one. This one will give me fish day.
You know say sometimes if I dey inside that house and they perceive your food, I know say na beans you dey chop every day.
God go bless you.
Bless you too, Nam Libe. The koya go.
Nah. You know, saying that just yesterday I find out say Papa Emeka they cheat on me.
Nah lie.
Papa Emeka they carry small SS3 girls. People will just write YX they cheat on me. Now so my best friend catch am, video ram, carry and come show me. I catch am. I tell her say man, let's see how that can on women. He never know me. Man, see am.
Don't go do like that now. You know good now. Who goes see better woman and go sabi cook? They cheat on them.
Nah, you don't. Hey. Hello, ne. All the poison I don't do am as you talk am. I pour all the poison for inside the beans where I cook. The only thing be say I just carry small give my neighbor. Say making the chop and make I test how the poison go there. So once Papa Emeka come back as he chop am, he no go fit escape. And in the chop am now, they watch am, me and they here. When he chop finish, I go call you, make I know how effective the poison dey. Well, neighbor, you don't see. Make I give you water. You say this water when you chop finish, you drink and so you go digest.
Women.
Make I know how effective the poison dey.
Look at my face. Hi. Me that is the test poison. My God.
They use to test poison. Sorry. You are not used.
If you have any problem, always tell me, okay? Prince, sir, I've sent you your salary, okay?
Oh, yeah, finally. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, what's the problem?
Sir, there's a lot of problems. But this particular one started since 2001.
Prince, what is it?
No, nothing, sir. Nothing.
So, my dear, as you can see, I don't have enough time now. Send me your account number and the amount you need on my WhatsApp, okay?
Very much.
Do you have any money to go back home?
No, sir, I don't have.
Prince,
Ungrateful.
Prince, what is going on?
It's my conscience.
What is he doing up there?
What?
Let's say it's sense threat.
What kind of threat? Just because I wanted to ask you if you have any money with you.
Ask for your front and they put on the sugar.
Threat, Abby. That guy is very, very greedy. They just
Who get this land document? Who get this land document? Explain. Who get that land document? Your name dey inside. Who get them? Start to explain who get the land document. So you the builders are not know.
This one a wala.
You and woman there, so the builders are not know. Who get that land document?
If I finish, I'll let you. Let me keep on talking about it.
Oh, yeah. Who get that one? Explain.
I'm not the real woman things. I don't know who get this thing.
SK, you don't know who get this thing.
I know the real on this. I the real woman thing. I don't know who get them now. I don't know who get them.
Good. I get this one, but this one not be my own. Smell that thing very well. You don't see me use that kind of perfume once.
I don't know this get all this kind of
Okay, you don't know who get this.
I don't know who get car.
I don't know. They ask me.
Leave this point if you not say you don't know anything concerning down that way.
I swear.
Yes, swear.
I make it put out from my dad.
Tell this woman is spoil.
This house, you dey misbehave. You dey get so. You dey misbehave. Wherever you think say you take to get this character from, you dey coordinate yourself. You dey get so.
Respect yourself.
You dey make people dey hear my voice for this compound. You enter the place, you turn on top of my face to ask me. I mean, they interrogate me. They interrogate me, Abi.
If you no swear, this compound will gather for the two of us. This compound will gather for the two of us. So I will come and ask, I will see on the way from my house.
God have mercy upon us.
We are about to start this movie shoot. You know, I'm the director of this movie, and I need you actors to be very, very professional. We're shooting with Hollywood standard. This is a Netflix movie, so obviously we're shooting this movie with Hollywood standard, and everything has to be 100% real.
Okay.
What I have here is fuel. This is 5 liters of fuel. This is real fuel because we're shooting with Hollywood standard. We're shooting it real. So this is real fuel. So on action, hold it. On action, I want you to pour this 5 liters of fuel on the floor and tell him you're very stupid.
Okay, this thing original fuel. I miss my pour for ground. Don't wait for it on cost. I'm for 1,500 naira. Are you want I go pour for ground?
That is what I told you. Now we're shooting with Hollywood standards, so everything is real. This is real fuel. So on action, pour this 5 liters of fuel on the floor and tell him you're very stupid. Are you ready?
Okay. I'm ready, sir.
Actor number 2, are you ready?
Yes,
GOP, are you set?
Okay.
Yes. All right, scene 1, action.
You're very stupid.
Cut. What are you doing? I thought you were a professional actor. What are you doing? I just explained this thing to you right now. Like I said on action, pour this fuel on the floor. Stop telling him you're very stupid. Please don't make this mistake again. Please. Oh yeah. Are you ready? Action.
We don't know why it's going on.
You're very stupid.
What's going on here?
Young man, what are you doing now? Pour this fuel now.
But this fuel na original fuel. How fuel don't cost 1,500 per liter. Now you want mark on the pour for ground.
The whole 5 liters of fuel. You're making car and pour for ground just like that. 5 liters of fuel.
Young man, that is not your business. I'm the director of this movie. Listen to what I'm telling you.
Okay. Director now wait fuel no day. Men still pour the fuel for ground again.
On action, pour this 5 liters of fuel on the floor and tell him you're very stupid. Please don't make the same mistake again. Are you ready? Are you ready? DOP, are you set? Oh yeah. Action!
You gonna explain tire.
You are very stupid.
Oh God! What kind of acting is this now? I paid you for this job and you were highly recommended. Do I have to teach you your job?
1,500 naira fuel per liter, 1.5.
Fine, give me, let me show you. How is it hard? How hard can it be to pour fuel? I said, collect the fuel, pour this fuel like this, pour this fuel like this, pour this fuel like this, and tell him you're very stupid. The fuel is finished. You have to buy another fuel. Please go and get another fuel. I said, go and get another fuel now. Are you not the one I'm talking to?
Why is everybody?
Jesus.
The thing is, no, don't tell me that.
What happened?
I tell you. I tell you.
We think I am now.
You go dey pour 5 liters of fuel for ground for this economy. We fuel na 1,500. Now we think I am be that.
You tell me no gree. He pour 5 liters of fuel for this hard economy.
Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Even the fuel sell, no they see 1 liter 1,500.
Principal.
You really deserve him. Now you buy yourself. Rest in peace, yeah?
How they take kill him?
Gaga to one gaga.
How did they buy him?
I got the advice from a madman.
These people are desperate though.
But leave my land for me now. You're very stupid. You like when my pal for me. Now your land do. Understand? But I say this small light why they give you no like him. See, I go show you why they call me Odumodu from my village.
It's a wedding.
Odumodu, I tell you 3 o'clock you're certain me, I go do you. 30 minutes now give you. That's what ending. Hey, ready? Stop! What do you want?
Baba, as I tell you like this, me and my friend just quarrel. Nah. That guy saying go destroy my life. Baba, no me that boy sit down tomorrow. Baba, do something possible. Nah, beg.
Is that what you want?
Baba, I need that. Nah. The crazy.
Yeah!
Jesus.
Oh, Billy.
O Sinweni.
If I really want, just leave down. I will just stop them because it is finished. This is what we call it finished. There is nothing you will do. The guy even vanished, and the guy is the only hope you have. Meanwhile, you and the guy have
Go and make money.
Which money?
Tell your children.
You think you will give me BP?
Go and make money and tell your children.
Which money?
Money.
All the money I made, is it not you that finished it? The last child of the last child is it my child?
Oh, it's what you put here that I gave back to you.
All the children. Sorry. The last one doesn't even look like mine.
Yes. Oh, Maggie, that's why I named him Ejim.
Does he look like me?
He looks like you now.
Let me tell you, if you look at that boy, he doesn't even look like me.
No wonder now.
I'm an embodiment of knowledge. That boy is as daft. Do I look short?
My friend.
See, let me tell you. You're supposed to be ashamed of yourself. Look at Ejim, look at me. Do we look alike? My child. It's not my child. You will tell me the right time.
It's your own.
When I'm ready, you will tell me.
Really
okay, I'm going to with that child. Nonsense.
You don't even have money to take care of your family. It's to do anything.
I am tired. You won't kill me before my time. All of them, look at the children. Nonsense.
Amadi.
You want to talk
Amadi,
rubbish
you and your
now?
wife, they could fight again.
Ogaruland, I do bad marry. As I talk to you, those 3 children, what I get, I didn't say no be my, no be get up. I go do DNA test. Especially that last one. You see that last one? Nothing anybody want tell me, don't me get them. I go find money. I won't go do DNA test.
Amadi, now waiting you won't go waste money for DNA when you get me. Just that you go. Now that one they tune me. Okay. That your first son. And I stay chairman get him.
Eh?
Yes. You know see the way he look like him. That second son. Now landlord get him.
I talk.
Where it is a landlord, they let you they stay for free. Jesus Christ. Now only that last one be my own.
Jesus. I said that last. You said they laughed with it.
That last one then be my own.
It is finished. Like, how dare you say the truth now? You just expose yourself. Let's see Ricky on this one. I think this one is going to be hotter than never before.
Come with me.
Come with me.
Babe, come with me.
Where we dey go
Babe,
now?
it's my brother. I don't know what is wrong with him. He's behaving abnormal. Please follow me, please.
You take something.
I don't know what the friend gave to him. I don't know what it's colo or I don't know. Please follow me.
Smoke colos.
Follow me, please.
Let's go give her a colos and
I
not
don't
take
know.
colos
I don't
before.
know.
This place is going, he will still get angry, and I know he will still fight this girl that called
Babe,
me.
look at him there.
Why call cutlass now?
I don't even know. I don't even know.
Hmm?
I don't even know. I'm afraid. Go close to him now.
Look, you are still standing there.
You know, this is a carry cutlass.
Which one be carry cutlass? So you can't grab him with that cutlass.
Now, so they grab her. Go grab her. Now, not be your brother. Say, ma grab who smoke colos, carry cutlass. Say, ma go grab her. Now, you let go grab her. Now, grab your copy now.
I don't want him to run out.
You know what?
Running tonight. It's not a man
I
like
say, who cutlass? And so,
you know, if you person with cutlass.
you call your family people. You try call your family people. Make them cut try Olam.
Babe, stop now. Stop. Not run for this guy now.
You shut the same man not run for him. Person small colors, carry cutlass, say man not run for him. Now set up. Sure. You don't know the demon went their body like this.
Babe, come now. Help me hold this guy now.
No worry. You call your family people. Make
You
them
call
Olam.
my family people now.
Call your family people. Now, you know, call your family people.
Now, cocaine,
I not fit.
Babe, hold this guy for me. I don't want him to run out.
You go call your family people. Make them call Olam. Now me give her colors.
Sure?
Now temptation.
So you know if you hold this guy for me.
I not fit. You call your family people.
Babe, I beg, go hold this guy for me.
No, what? I'm not gonna fit. Man, no wrong. No worry, not fit. Give me a week in case I end that relationship one pass.
Ah.
On the place tomorrow.
You came on the rest position, then you are using a cap. You know they use that your
Madam, go down.
Yeah, see you again.
Go down.
You don't know.
criminal.
Criminal.
If I have feet, who name is Jesus no she.
Criminal.
Okay, I am Pepsi.
Yes.
Eh?
So humble. Oh.
Who else no she? It's not fitting you. Oh, me fake there.
God have mercy upon us.
Larry have mercy upon us. Oh, they even gave him Pepsi to calm himself down. At this point in time, going to admit whatsoever they said to him.
Yeri rice. Eh? Yeri.
Damn rubber, who can to steal it now? The one being fed by the.
Do you know how much Saudi Arabia is offering to give Osimhen? My brother, the money in football is too much. Hey!
Malaria don't go kill a cultist. Money ritualists get us.
My brother, we'll see later now. Let me go see my family. Bye-bye.
Osimhen.
Akpo. What you want to become in future?
Doctor. I think this one Papa they talk for you.
And you, what you want to become in future?
Police officer.
Eh?
You say what? Police officer.
As it stands, I just hate you.
I go smoke that ganja until I go blind.
So, Kochi, this one going to play midfield. This one going to play strike. He going to assist him, brother. You understand? Like, I go, go. Yeah, so put it right there.
Why they give us assignment to school? I've not done it.
Is that why you're here?
He needs some milk.
You know they play with the sign, you talk about assignment. Yeah. What is that man doing there?
That young boy just joined on that 14 trial now.
A man of 41 years. Mazi Joe. What are you doing there? Me we want to go bench your cement. Yeah! They play. Let's go one day.
Oh, the struggle. The suffering is real. That true.
Said you want to bend your seam. How are you going to do that with when you play like different things are happening? Things are really happening, honestly. We're going to dive into the next comedy. This was about you so funny. His parent is on this one. Let's see short skirt grandma. Let's go. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. She's already on TikTok. Like,
what's going on here?
What be this?
Oh, now this how you dey do now.
Jesus.
You dey follow someone girl dey shake me for internet.
No, my love. Now Nas boy challenge. Now what did they trade now?
Challenge. No worry. You go see that challenge just now. I dey call for you.
challenge.
You want to see crazy?
Hey, Jesus Christ.
What is it going inside to do?
Go to your house.
Oh,
go to the challenge for your house. Go to your house. Go to your house. Yeah, they go. Go continue the challenge for your house.
Wait.
What happened?
Give me a ring light and my SRO.
Somebody's father did that. They went to bring the baby girl. This father now. This father is bad. Oh. Not bad guy, honestly.
It is what it is.
You know, go friend on top, so I swear. Thank you guys for watching this hilarious and most funny comedy compilation video, and I believe you enjoyed this funny comedy. Like, I really love it. I love it. Like, I can't laugh alone, so I decided to, compile it for everyone to see, especially number one and this last one. I don't know if old men can still behave just like this man. Honestly, I don't really know if they can still behave like this man. Well, let's talk about number one in this comedy compilation. Like, I love it. And I'm actually looking for somebody. Like, I need somebody that will actually, come with me and let's plan this kind of thing, or let's arrange this kind of thing. Like, I will just go out and bring the girl, my crush that I've been eyeing for a very long time. Anytime she comes, she wouldn't want to sit on the bed. She would want to sit on the chair. Those kind of girls, that is the kind of girl I have, and I've been finding it difficult to whine her to sit, or to convince her to sit on the chair, like sit on the bed like this. Sit so that things can actually, go on. We can start our mathematics easily, but they will not. So after watching this video, I think I've received, or I've gotten some clue about this idea, to how to go about this, like how to convince her. So I'll need somebody to come. If you plan this thing with me, just let me see your comment in the comment box below. Before I proceed, if you're new on this channel, please don't just watch and go away. Don't laugh and go away. Subscribe and turn on the post notification bell icon, and also like this video. Make sure you share it to all your social media platforms. Share it to Facebook, share it to WhatsApp, share it to everywhere. Share it, and don't forget, after sharing it, do not forget to like. Do not forget to like and comment. All right, guys, if you want to assist me to accomplish this wonderful mission, just let me see your comment in the comment box below. I need somebody that would act like this guy. As I'm bringing her in, I will just find everywhere rough, and you will just come and say, and they are working in this place, that is why, but they have not come to the room. You can go to the room. So I will just take her. I think by then, the girl will not have anything, like she will not have any excuse this time. She will just follow me straight. I need somebody. This girl has been giving me tough time. Oh, guys. All right, let's forget about that. I think if you're already interested to play along with me, let me see your comment. Yeah, let me see your comment. So, guys, I think I love Kata Ife of Funny Bros and Easy Entertainment. I like these three people. This comedy is actually hilarious, and it's wonderful. I love everything, the settings. Auntie Ramota was there. She even said, I like you. You like who? You like Funny Bros. I love that comedy. Very hilarious. And Gentuu did something very bad. Gentuu. See, we should just be afraid of Gentuu. He's a very bad guy. I was thinking that he will actually end it, you know, he will end it on the mother. That the mother will be the last person or the end of the wiping issue, you know. But I was shocked. He proceeded to his father, to the father of the boy. Even wipe the father. We don't need this kind of friend in our life, oh, that will offend, that will want to go extra miles, like go extra length to pay us back. That is very bad. That is very bad. There are people like that. There are people who can do this kind of thing. Gentuu just depicted on his comedy. We just laugh and think it's just a comedy. This is not just a comedy. It's happening. It's happening. Whatever you see sometimes in this video, all these guys are acting. Sometimes it happens. It happens. So we shouldn't neglect that. Especially this particular comedy. I love it. Exploit. You know, that is not just a comedy. It is not just a comedy. It is not just that, many things attached to it. So the comedy actually teaches wisdom, teaches sense, teaches, as in, it's very educative, like very educative. The comedy actually taught us how, you know, to be the head, or how to be in charge of our emotion, you know, our feelings, our emotion, our thought. When you are a master of it, I think you'll be able to handle things and become successful easily. All right, guys, we've come to the end of this comedy. You know, we've come to the end of this comedy review, and we're going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation video. And I believe you enjoyed this comedy. I know you enjoyed it. So, guys, do not forget to comment. Do not forget to like and keep streaming Crity React channel. We're going to see you guys. Have a wonderful time. Peace out.